Getting reaction from the DPCC President Arvinder Singh Lovely. Let's listen.
Aam Aadmi Party has put the blame squarely on the BJP and the Congress for not even allowing the bill to be introduced in the session.
See, even times now, representatives, you were there whole day in the house. Congress has not voted against the Jan Lokpal bill. Congress has voted in the favor of the message conveyed by Honorable Lieutenant Governor, who is representative of President of India in Delhi. When he says that it is illegal to introduce this bill, we have voted in the favor of Lieutenant Governor message. We have not voted against this government or not voted against Jan Lokpal bill. And the biggest example of that is that financial bill of this government, Congress has supported despite BJP opposing it. Despite our differences on the issue of subsidy, we supported. And on my speech on financial bill, I reiterated it that we are with you, we are for Jan Lokpal bill. Bring a Jan Lokpal bill which is in accordance with the Constitution of India. We will go with you to the central government and get it passed quickly. We'll make it sure that it comes back in 10-15 days and we will make a law. Where is the issue? He should not behave like a schoolboy.
But what about Kejriwal's contention that he is whatever he's doing is in accordance to the Constitution?
See, if you think that Mr. Kejriwal is more intelligent than President of India, if you think Mr. Kejriwal is more intelligent than Lieutenant Governor, if you think Mr. Kejriwal is more intelligent than law experts and law department, if you think Mr. Kejriwal has more knowledge than what is written in the Constitution, then you are right.
He has said that both Congress and BJP are opposing the bill because of the Mukesh Ambani connection. What do you have to say about this?
He is giving subsidy to Ambani's company. And we are with Mukesh Ambani. I don't understand this logic. Then if then we are with Mukesh Ambani, then why is he issuing subsidy to Mukesh Ambani's companies?
Last question. It is very much likely that Arvind Kejriwal will put in his resignation and he'll call for a referendum on that. This will again impact negatively on both the Congress and the BJP.
See, what do you think? What does he think of himself? Does he think that he only represents people of Delhi? It is good to think that you are intelligent. But I think it is most foolish thing to think that rest of the world is fool. Everybody is seeing what is happening. Nobody is opposing Jan Lokpal bill. If Congress has to oppose Jan Lokpal bill, why Congress brought a Jan Lokpal bill in the center? We are totally in favor of Jan Lokpal bill. I am again reiterated it. We cannot go against the Constitution. Why do he wants to go against the Constitution? Let him send this bill to center. We'll go with him. And and we'll make sure that this bill comes back quickly. But his intention is not to make this draft change into a law. He wants to make this issue alive so that he can go with this issue to the Lok Sabha election. That's all. He is not keen on Jan Lokpal bill draft to be converted into a law.